Hey guys, Abhinav here. I'm a 3D artist working at Queppelin, and in the previous video of this video series, I started a guide that would help increase your basic understanding of 3D design and animation and the pipeline used to create 3D assets. In today's video, I'll start by explaining the very first step in the 3D production pipeline, that is pre-production. I'll explain the various stages of the process to give you guys a basic understanding. So let's start with the planning process. In the beginning of every 3D production, regardless of whether it is a commercial or an informative project, there is an idea of vision of how the project should look like to the viewers. The idea of vision can be more or less defined and can vary from 5 different lines to a manuscript or a sequence of pictures. You can use these elements to get closer to how the characters, backgrounds, colors, and props should look like. So, the concept phase is the time in the process where a lot of different opportunities are tried out and a lot of quick sketching and drawing is done. From these sketches and drawings, the best ones are chosen for reference to get closer to the final look. The same thing goes for the backgrounds. Like the characters, the backgrounds are often raw sketches which are then combined with different styles and other background sketches. The concept phase is not about creating a defined character or background, but about drawing a lot of different ideas which in the next step become a finalized character or background. Next step is model sheets. In visual art, a model sheet, also known as a character sheet, a character study, or simply a study, is a document that is used to help standardize the gestures, appearance, and poses of a character in different arts such as animations, video games, comics, etc. Model sheets are required when multiple artists are involved in a 3D production pipeline to help maintain continuity in the character from scene to scene. In animation, one animator may only do one scene out of the several hundreds that are required to complete an animated movie. A character that is not drawn according to the production's standardized model is often known as an off model. Next comes storyboarding. Just as with the concept development of characters and background, the storyboard is one of the very first things to start working on in order to visualize the ideas of the director. The storyboard focuses on acting, cinematography, and story to create coherency between the written and the visual aspect of the 3D project and can be compared to a comic without the speech bubbles. In the beginning, a storyboard may only consist of post-it notes that are placed in the right order, but this is a rough beginning. Eventually, when the storyboard is drawn digitally on a computer, it becomes clearer and you get a broader idea of the context of the story and the frames that may be missing. During this phase, design and colors are not important. The goal is to test a lot of different ideas on the same scene or take until you achieve a result that is solid. This is necessary to test whether the written material and the manuscript are working and the script is solid. Next comes pipeline test. A pipeline test is to get an idea of the final output of the project. To do a pipeline test, a scene from the project is chosen and sent through all of the phases of the production. This means that all the elements are put together to get the director and the animator an idea of how the final output of the project should look like. Making a pipeline test also marks the transition from pre-production to production and can indicate if phases in the production or other elements are missing, thereby securing that time and money are spent in the most efficient way while still exploring the visual and the media possibilities of the 3D project. Depending on the job that the animation studio has taken on, the pipeline differs from project to project and can, for example, also include sound production. This will be all for this video, but we will meet in the next video where I will explain the next step in the 3D production pipeline, that is 3D modeling. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.